Good day, my dear friends. Welcome. In this video, I'm showing you how to get Shopify notifications. Okay, so firstly, let me show you how to turn on staff alerts to get notified the second a new sale comes in. So you log in into your Shopify admin and then click on settings right here. Then select notifications from the list on this sidebar. And you will get this notifications menu. So under the recipient list, you can enter your email address and select your store location. Okay, and now we review that and make sure that the template of the certain notification is enabled. So in this same notifications menu, click on customer notifications. And you can review the core alerts like order confirmation, shipping updates, and all of that very important stuff. And make sure that next to each one of them, you have this, as you can see, ticked black button on the right, okay? So let me see. So I have order confirmation. Go here and make sure that the notifications are enabled, and you can also customize them. But these should be enabled by default. And just go through them. If any of them are disabled, enable them back and you're good to go. So that is it, guys. Enjoy and subscribe.